Good afternoon to one and all who are here. Today I am going to explain data visualization and plotting. First of all, what is data? Can anybody answer? Just information. Can I make it different? Means collection of different information. Why? Because means data means not a simple task and not a single object. Collecting of some data means it may take several objects or similar object. We can't express that one or more. So is collecting of data is and means it can fill up? No. Means how we have to understand. Means if I write some data on a paper and they give this data means will you satisfy? I am asking again. If I write a data on a paper and I gave to you, could you understand it? Could you understand? Okay. If I send the data in Excel form, what will you do? If I send 1,000 members data in Excel, what will you do? It is also different. So there are so many types to analysis like plotting, graphs, and pie charts, so and so. Now our friend will continue.
Good afternoon, one and all. Myself, I am Bhargav. Now I am telling about the types of plotting. One of the type of plotting is bar graph. You know, everyone knows about the bar graphs. We have studied in social. Well, how can we assume that this bar graph, for example, give an example for bar graph? Anyone? Example: stocks, population. Yeah, population is a great example for bar graph. Here there are the four types of countries and there are the population of them. This is the biggest one because the population is high. These type of bar graphs are useful to us. What is bar graph? Bar graph is a graph that presents in a graphical data. He said that the example for Excel. In Excel there are thousand names. We can fill this in bar graph on their base of attendance, right? We can do like a bar graph and attendance. This is the group of bar graphs. For example, we have the classes now: CI, AID, and CSM. On these presence of we have three categories. This blue color line is CI, and pink one AID, and green one is CSM. These graphs is made up of the attendance on the percentage of how they are performing well in their students on their okay, on their academic issues, academic they are how they are performing well is the in type of grouped bar graphs is presenting like this. Next, stacked bar graphs. This is an user for the stocks. In stock market, each and every day we have to see because of the stocks are ups and downs. So this stacked bar graphs is used. Next, for example, this is a schemed bar graph because it is used in this. Take these series. One is a boy and girls and non-players who want to play the games. For example, we are conducting a tournament. Boys want to play the cricket. Girls want to play a shuttle or something else. The non-players teams is green color. Like this, we can use this graph and we can estimate how many people can play, not playing, and who are they playing, what they want. These line graphs are useful for the stock markets. Mainly in stocks, daily the graph will ups and downs. By using this, we can estimate the which is more effective and which is less effective. By using this multiple lines graphs also, there are lots of companies and they are doing daily. We have to invest on them. Multiple line graphs is useful for the more useful for the stock markets. How many are using the stock markets right now? Investing stocks. Chaitanya, can you explain about stocks? Sandeep, it is an example. Huh. Is it a example, correct example for that? Is this graphs? Yeah. Thanks. Yeah. This is another example for the stack diagrams. This is a plotting method. Daily we use an transactions now. In phone pay, Paytm, we use transactions. See, every day there is an dates, and this is the transaction plotting methods of the dots. How we transact the daily for the in canteen we use the scanners to scan, or else payment SBI collect, and more than back of 2 days we are applying for the revaluation or supply fees. Yes, like this we can estimate how many members we are applying that by using this graph, how many members who applied for that, and for what purpose we can use this plotting method.
Okay. Up to now, you saw the bar graphs. Is it easy? Is it easy? Okay. Can I ask a question? In graphs, are you knowing total number or n numbers? Total number of data and n number of data. Could you see anywhere? Show some one of the bar graphs. Bar. Good. Good. Okay. Stop. Can anybody explain here what is the total data and number of data? Can anyone? So think, is it easy or difficult? It will be difficult. Yes or no? So there is another method which we have to see data. That is called pie chart. In pie charts, we can divide it into we can divide it into how many types also. Means if there are 9 objects, means in a circle we can divide it into 9 objects, and we can calculate into percentage, and we can plot it like this also. Now there is a total 100% data. It is 59.9. Means we can calculate how much the total data of a object. Yes or no? Is it easy? Or bar graph is easy? Once again I am asking. Is pie chart is easy or a bar graph easy? Why not bar graph? Okay, if I mention in bar graph x-axis this much and y-axis this much, means you can understand. Exactly. Next, another pie chart. See this. In our KIET college in CSE, we have 5 groups. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 4, Group 5. Here, if the strength is 1600, 1600, okay? We can calculate, no? Group 1 how much, Group 2 how much, Group 3 how much, Group 4 how much. Yes or no? So which is easy? Pie chart or graphs? Again I am asking. Pie chart. Okay, show once bar graph. Any one graph. This is one type of bar graph. Think there are 3 objects. Object 1, object 2, object 3. Now we can also calculate like this now. Okay, it is up to here. Means some 4 point. Up to here. Some 7 point. Up to 9. We can also calculate now this one. Then what is the difficult? What? Could you start? Exactly. What we have to know? Exact value. Not abstract value. Exact value. So these are also easy. But if we want to see a clarity of a vision, visualization and analysis, so that's why we use pie charts. There are so many examples. See, on this earth there will be air. In air, oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, nitrogens are there. Yes or no? Okay. In air, how much of oxygen percentage is there? 52.6. Yes or no? If I ask in not percentage, Tell some value. Will you can? Could you? Why no? You can calculate no percentage to normal values. Yes. Total 100%. 100% by 52.6%. You can calculate or not? Yes or no? Okay. There are no percentages. Think this is 100. 52, 5, 12, 29. Is it getting 100? Yes or no? No? You can calculate or not total value. Then what is the problem? Thinking. We have to think which method is easy and which method is difficult. But both are same. It depends on thinking. What is the difference between the previous pie chart and this pie chart? This is pie chart. This is sub pie chart. Understand or not? This is 100%. Exactly. Yes or no? This will be all the 100%. Yes or no? Why no? It is also a full circle. Sub pie chart. Exactly. It's a sub pie chart. So we can't calculate with 100%. We have to calculate what is the exact value of the sub chart. Next. Is this also a pie chart? Is it also a pie chart? Are you thinking it is no colors, no values? Colors, values. Okay, I have divided into a levels. Level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. It is also one type of pie chart. Once zoom it, they can't see. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, level 1, processing cost 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you understood? Now tell the pie chart how many parts are been divided? Are you seeing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understood? No. What is you can take anyone. Just I am exact. I am telling 1, 2, 3. You can take from 1, 2, 3. But the value will be same, no? Value. Okay. If this is the one, processing cost up to here, no? If this is 1 means this value will be some 10% estimate. And mechanical properties some 5%. 1 and 2. If I change the index, this is 1, this is 2 means the value will be same, no? Why? It will be like this only, no? I'm changing index, not positions. I'm telling that process cost is here only. Mechanic property is also here only. I didn't taking this to the here. I'm just changing the if I start one means okay 1, 2, 3 like that. I think the pie chart is doesn't understanding you. Here device integration, yes. What is the level point? 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. What is the processing cost? 0 to 1. What is the mechanical properties? Up to 5. What is the chemical stability? Up to 2. Thermatic stability? Up to 2. I think you understand the values. He asked a different question. Means I take this as a one processing cost 2 mechanical properties, 3 chemical stability. If I change mechanical properties as the one, the value will be calculated from here only. But the index value will be changed. Understood?
He asked that thing, what we, if we change the order.
Order.
Balaji asked if we can
Order,
change the
not
order,
value.
not the values.
If you change the order means it will absolutely change the values.
Balaji asked if we can change the order, not the values.
What did you get into your minds, this picture? What did you get this picture into your mind when it displays? Anyone? Attendance. Okay. What does the violet color? Green, red, cement, suspended. Okay. If they're in a class 105 members, the seer or a leader doesn't know names and roll numbers. How can he judge how many members are present, how many members are absent, how many are doomed? So if we have some data like this and we have plotted some data with the different colors, is it easy or not to identify? Yes or no? In case if the violet has a index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, then easily we can identify the bunked persons. Yes or no? Roll numbers. So this is the data visualization and understanding. Thank you.